Big Bang. The Big Bang Theory is what scientists today believe to be the explanation of how everything came to be. The theory states that everything around us came from absolutely nothing. Crazy, right? But there's actually evidence that says otherwise. Before I get into that, let me tell you about the timeline of the Big Bang. Within the first second, the cosmos goes through a super fast inflation, meaning it expanded really quickly. For example, if you take this penny and say that it expanded like really quickly into this basketball, that's what happened in the Big Bang. A rapid cooling cosmos permits quarks to clump into protons and neutrons. Post-inflation, the universe is a same thing. Within the third minute, still too hot to form atoms, charged electrons and protons prevent light from shining. Within 300,000 years, electrons combine with protons and neutrons to form atoms. Mostly hydrogen and helium, light can finally shine. Within 1 billion years, gravity makes hydrogen and helium gas to form the giant clouds that will become galaxies. Smaller clumps of gas collapse to form the first stars. Within the 15 billion years, as galaxies cluster together under gravity, the first stars die and spew heavy elements into space. These will eventually turn into new stars and planets. Now to the present day, where we think we know a lot, but honestly, there's a lot to discover about our universe. Okay, so now to the proof. The proof is the microwave background radiation. For example, when you feel the heat off of a stove after you cook, that's exactly the same thing as the background radiation. The background radiation is the heat left over from the Big Bang. That's why most scientists use this to explain how everything came to be. Now over to my partner Chris, where he will be talking about another explanation of how the universe came to be. To you, Chris.
String theory. String theory is a cosmological theory based on the existence of cosmic strings. For example, right here, this is a whole bunch of universes combined like strings. For example, this right here, this blue one is our universe. Based on string theory, there's a bunch of universes out there that combine with ours. And sometimes universes collide. For example, like that. They collide and make one big universe. But they can also depart from each other and make two universes. That is string theory.